First, I would like to thank God for bringing us together on this beautiful day, and our families for the love, values, and strength they poured into Bernadine and Diego, shaping them into the incredible people we celebrate today. Mary, also, Bernadine, you've always been my little sister, but also so much more, someone whose strength and kindness I've always admired. Seeing the woman you become and the love you found that truly values you makes me incredibly proud. Vego, welcome to our family. From this day forward, you're not joining us, but you're one of us. Thank you for loving my sister the way she deserved to be loved, for standing by her, and for choosing to build a life with her. We're grateful to have you, and we couldn't have chosen a better person to walk this journey with her. Y quiero agradecer de todo corazón a la familia de Diego por venir desde tan lejos para acompañarnos hoy. Su presencia significa muchísimo para todos nosotros. Gracias por su amor y su apoyo. And I want to sincerely thank Jaga's family for traveling from so far away to be here with us today. Your presence means so much to all of us, and thank you for your love and support. Cheers to you, and lastly, we truly appreciate everyone who came to share this beautiful moment. Thank you.